Okay, now this is a normal question, right? You need to practice to do this type of question. Right, okay, now here they tell y is directly proportional to cube root of this x plus 3. And when x equal 5, y equal 2 over 3, right? Then they ask find y when x equal 24. Okay, how to do? Very simple. Normally your procedure you can follow like this. We can write y is proportional to cube root of x plus 3, right? Cube root you can put this way, that sign, or like this, 1 over 3. I will put 1 over 3, right? Or that sign, this way, here 3, like this way you can put that. Anyway, now you need to make equation, so I put y equal sign, then this is direct proportional, no? So we put k. This is directly proportional, no? So that's why we put y like this way, but the y proportional like this. Otherwise we will put y proportional to 1 over this thing, this everything, right? Cube root of this, 1 over cube root of this, like that. But here it's direct proportional. Okay, now we try to make as equation here, y equal k, and this is plus 1 3 and 1 over 3. Now they give one situation now here, when x equal 5, y equal 2 over 3. So now we need to replace this x and y value with these two value what the situation they given. Now y equal 2 over 3, and here we try to find what the value of k, right? In a proportional thing, if you make as a equation, you need to find this thing, this constant, this one is how much. So that's the reason. Okay, here anyway, now x is 5, so here plus 5 plus 3, here 1 over 3, and then here 2 over 3 equal k, and here will be 8, right? 5 plus 3 8, no? Then 1 over 3. Here answer is 2 actually, but okay, if you need I will show you it roughly here. 8 mean you can write 2 to the power 3, no? 8 mean 2 to the power 3, and here 1 over 3. What will happen here? This index you can multiply with this, that means 3 to 3 cut. So here will be just 2, it's like that. Here just 2, so you can write here 2 over 3 equal k2 or 2k, like this. Then how to find k, right? Very simple. You need to divide both side by 2 here also, and here already fraction, no? So I can put like this, 2 over 3 divide by 2, like this. This 2 to this 2 cut, so here will be just k. Here you can write like divide by 2. I wrote it here. Okay, now what will happen? You don't need to show even this working. You need to know here fraction, if you divide by 2, basically that idea, what the denominator multiplied by 2, here will be 6, like that, 3 into 2. Here also like that. I will show you this stuff, how it come. Here 2 over 3 division we can change to multiplication, and you need to get the reciprocal of this, so it will be 1 over 2. So 2 to 2 cut here. So here you will have 1 into 1 1, 3 into 1 3. So k equal 1 over 3. Now we got the value of k. Now I can write this equation again with the value of k. So I'll put y equal k mean 1 over 3, right? The same equation, this is I need to write now, right? And here x plus 3, and then here 1 over 3, right? Now we can use this equation to find right, y, because they ask find y when x equal 24, x when you replace it 24 here. So very simple. Now let's try to do it. Here 1 over 3, and x replace with 24 plus 3 here, not 1 over 3, and then here 1 over 3 again, and here 24 plus 3 mean 27, right? 27, here 1 over 3, like we did earlier here, like this way. Here we got here 8 to the power 1 over 3, no? Like I told you, that is 3, that is 2, like that way. Here will be 3, Same way, if I need to show you, I will show you here 27 mean you can write 3 to the power 3, right? And then again 1 over 3 mean this 3 to this 3 cut, that means 3 here. So basically here 1 over 3 and this mean here 3. So again you can cut this 3 with this 3. So here will be just answer is 1. Y equal 1. So our value is but our answer is 1. Y equal 1.